So here at the Malaysian Autoshow 2025, Audi, yes, Audi has just launched the all-new Q7. This is one of the most high-end SUVs in its range. Of course, it's not as high-end as the Q8, but it is definitely one of the most stylish SUVs in the range. And I'll prove it to you, because not only do you have these massive four rings here, you have a nice textured gravelly pattern going on with the grille with sensors built in as well. You of course got the very sharp headlights over here, which are typical design these days, with vents and slits everywhere. Off to the side you have massive two-tone alloy wheels, and of course you have red Brembo brakes. So not only is this a big, stylish, practical family SUV, it also is very sporty. And if you look below you, you will notice the S-Line badge on the floor. That is a light, right? So that's the door light which illuminates the floor for you while you're walking towards your car, so you never step in anything unwanted. So once the door is closed, you'll notice your lock and unlock button here with your door handle, your mirror adjustments, your window adjustments, your child lock, a nice flat bottom, very sporty flat bottom S-Line steering wheel, because this is of course the S-Line trim for the Audi Q7 with your typical new age Audi design buttons and stuff like that. Pedal shifters, they're plastic, so they feel a little bit cheap, but hey, this car is anything but, because quality is pretty good elsewhere, right? You've got leather here, you've got a central infotainment screen followed by another screen right below it for your AC controls, digital driver display over here, Quattro badge over there to denote that it's all-wheel drive. Then you've got a very deep and big glove box right here, quilted white stitching, diamond white stitching on your perforated seats with extended thigh support. You see how these extend out here, right? Then you've got a few knobs, your start-stop button, your typical Audi gear selector, your parking brake switch, and a very small cubby actually. It's not really that deep, but you do get a wireless charger and some USB ports over here as well. So yes, typical Audi affair up front. You don't get a sunroof, but you do have an illuminated vanity mirror. And then let's check out the back seats, which is where the magic happens. Okay, so not only do you get tons of room back here, look at that, foot space is amazing. I can slot my feet underneath the front seats. I also have very good knee room, and of course, even if I sat completely upright, I still get very good headroom, because this isn't a coupe roofline, it's just a standard SUV roofline. You've also got your armrest here. Why isn't this? Okay, there we go. It's a bit difficult to this one. That just means it's sturdy, like it won't break easily. And you've also got cup holders in your armrest as well. And of course, you can easily fit 3 adults abreast, but do note, you do have a bit of a hump here for the drivetrain. This is all-wheel drive after all, so maybe foot space won't be the best, but because the way it's angled, right, you can sort of slot your feet here, and you do have rear aircon vents as well. A godsend in our weather. You have more aircon vents here with a sunshade back there. And let's close off with the roof. I also want to point out the rear doors also have that S-Line lighting on the floor. So back here, you'll see some very nice Audi lights with your Audi logo in the lights itself. And where's the tailgate release? Oh, there we go. It's in the center. It's dead center right beside the camera. Look at that. You also get third row seats, which are folded down right now, but even without them, you have very good boot space here, which is only, I lied, it's not really that much improved because the underfloor storage isn't the best. But hey, this is fantastic. For a 7-seater, you can have in a pinch, and it's a 5-seater when you don't need it to be like that. So this is the all-new Audi Q7 here in Malaysia, which retails for 462,622 ringgit or 482,622 ringgit with the Audi insurance package. What do you think?